Hello friends, the question is like this. In this question we have to evaluate the value of the integration of this function square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square with respect to x. Now to solve this question, first of all we take this given integral and we see that it is given a square root of a quadratic term. We are going to simplify this quadratic term as the square of a variable term and a constant term in form of a sum or the difference depending on the values. So taking the value, first of all I see that the coefficient of x square is not 1, it is minus 1. So I'm going to take minus sign common to obtain minus x square minus of x square minus 3x minus 1. Okay, now next what I'm going to do, I'm going to halve the coefficient of x without sign because I have to square it. So that is, I'm going to add 3 by 2 whole square and subtract 3 by 2 whole square from this expression and minus 1 as it is. So this will be equal to x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 upon 4, or this can be written as square root of 13 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. This term goes in the place of this value. And I'm going to get this as the integration of square root of root 13 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now to simplify it further, I'm going to substitute x minus 3 by 2 as equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, I get dx is equal to dt. Okay, so I'm going to obtain the integral as square root of root 13 upon 2 whole square minus t square dt. And to integrate, I'm going to apply this formula that integration of square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2x square root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon a. Now in this formula, what we have to apply this formula, what we have to do, we have to write instead of a root 13 upon 2 and instead of x this t. So I'm going to obtain this expression 1 by 2 times of t square root of 13 by 2 whole square minus t square plus square root of 13 by 2 whole square upon 2 into sine inverse of t upon square root of 13 upon 2 plus c. Okay. On replacing the value of t again as x minus 3 by 2, I get this as 1 by 2 times x minus 3 by 2 into root 13 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 13 upon 4 whole upon 2 sine inverse of x minus 3 by 2 upon square root of 13 upon 2 plus c. Okay, now this term can be simplified as 2x minus 3 upon 2. So I'm going to obtain 2x minus 3 upon 4 into square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square. This term came from 1 plus 3x minus x square. You can see it for yourself. So I'm going to replace this by 1 plus 3x minus x square, and this is going to become 2x minus 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 numerator and denominator cancel out, and 13 upon 4 whole upon 2 becomes 13 by 8. So this expression is going to be my required answer. So this is how I'm going to solve this question. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.